We have another exciting project to show you. This one is by far my favorite, and we're going to show you the entire build process, turning this shed into the ultimate man cave, complete with electrical, insulation, and epoxy floors. But just because it ends up becoming a man cave doesn't mean it couldn't also be used as a home office, a gym, or just an awesome looking shed to store your garden tools in. So get ready to be inspired and to get some really great ideas for that next project of yours. This building is a 12 by 16 with an added 2-foot overhang and deck, making the overall size 12 by 18, and we call it our cottage style. What's so unique about our sheds is you become the designer. You tell us the size, the style, the wall height, how many windows you need, and what door size and design works best for you. And all this can be done in the comfort of your own home using our 3D design tool right on the website, or in our office with one of our awesome sales staff. If you are enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Some of the features on this build include 8-foot sidewalls, double garden doors with glass, 3 windows, a loft, and shelving. Spencer, how many sheets is that?
It is 3, man.
You're a wild man. Our customer chose to go with a wood floor, which on this size building has 3 pressure-treated runners and 2x6 floor joists that run 16-inch on center. Since the building is going on a compacted road mix, we will use concrete blocks to get it off the ground and use for leveling. We do have a galvanized steel option for the base if you like the idea of having steel instead of wood. All of our floor decking is 3/4 inch tongue and groove. This build has our smart floor decking, which is a really great option. It has a resin over the top of it, making it more scratch and water resistant than other products out there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's just do this first. Good. Yeah.
So we're gonna pre-side 3 walls, is that the plan?
Yeah.
Nice. As you can see, we picked up some extra help. Sam arrived and is going to give us an extra hand. These walls are heavy.
Yeah, that was mostly.
This thing's coming together. We are going to start building out the overhang. This one will extend out 2 feet, but we can also go larger and do 4 foot or even 6. We can also increase the sidewall overhangs to 6 or 12 inches.
How much feet is?
Dude, someone can shoot that.
Bro.
Extending out the overhangs will change the entire look of any shed. It takes the building out of that shed category, making it look more like an extension of the home or an outbuilding, or in this case, a man cave. Whether you're having a shed built or you are constructing your own, the overhang detail is something that you should give some thought and consideration to. We've been in the shed business for over 40 years, so we've dealt with plenty of rainy, windy, and snowy days working away. But luckily today it's nice and sunny and a beautiful 70 degrees out, which is absolutely perfect for building sheds. A loft is one of the best and most affordable ways to add some extra square footage to your building. They are perfect for getting things up off the floor and out of the way, especially those items such as Christmas decorations or skis you might only use a few times a year. We are moving right along. This building is going to look awesome. It's coming together great. We have offered Josiah help about 3 times on the soffit here, but he would like to do it himself. It's a little bit stubborn. That is amazing. The window over the door is 6 feet wide and 1 foot tall. We call this a fixed window because it doesn't open. These have become pretty popular over the years, as they give a really nice look to the shed, but are also great for allowing natural light in as well.
All done?
Done.
All right, we got our shingles on, getting some painting done, and now we're gonna add the little 2-foot deck.
We are all wrapped up with the exterior of the shed. We offer interior finishes such as sheetrock, shiplap, insulation, electrical, and even AC and heating options. But in this case, our awesome customer just wanted us to build the shell, and then he would finish up the interior just the way he wants. This can be really nice because then you can finish it at your own pace and even do parts of it in stages, depending on your budget. The walls and ceiling were insulated and covered with OSB, along with wiring for lights and power outlets. The floor was then covered with epoxy. Our customer enjoys working on vintage dirt bikes, so this will make cleaning up any spilled grease or oil stains a breeze. You can see they are making great use of the loft, getting stuff up off the floor, but it's still high enough so you can still work underneath it. Even though this building was turned into a man cave, it can just as easily be used as an office, a reading room, or even a playroom for the kids. The possibilities are endless. I have a question for you. When are you getting yours, and what are you going to use it for? If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.